I'm Duan. Welcome to PD Tech for another professional guide.
And I'm Peter. We combine 40 years of industry experience with modern tech to keep your business moving.
In this video, we teach you to create and send quotes in Xero. Click Sales. Then select Quotes. Click New Quote. The quote screen is similar to the invoices screen and uses many of the same fields. Enter the customer name in the Contact field. Then choose Create as a new contact or select an existing customer from the list. Xero sets the issue date as the current date. Type in the field, or use the calendar picker to choose a different date if needed. Set an expiry date for the quote to let customers know the prices aren't guaranteed after the specified date. Let's make it valid for 30 days by selecting In 30 days. Xero automatically populates the quote number with the next number in the sequence. Update the number if you want a specific quote number. You can enter an optional reference, for example, a job or project number. If you use multi-currency, check the Currency is correct and select the Branding theme for your quote, as needed. The standard theme is perfect for this example. Click the Project field to assign the quote if you use projects in Xero. Finally, use the Tax field to choose if amounts are tax inclusive or exclusive. Enter the details in the description, quantity, and price fields, as you would with an invoice. Make sure you set the account and tax rate, which Xero will use to categorize the transaction if you create an invoice from it later. If you use products and services, you can choose an item, and Xero will populate the fields for you. In this example, we'll search for and choose wedding photography from our list of items and update the price to $2,500. Once you're happy with your quote, click Send. Confirm or add the customer email address, and check and update the drafted email message as needed. Select the Send me a copy checkbox if you want Xero to email a copy for your own records. Click Send to email the quote. You'll find the quote in the Sent tab. If your customer declines your quote, Xero moves it to the Declined tab. If your customer accepts your quote, Xero moves it to the Accepted tab. Now you're ready to create and send quotes in Xero.